Itu siya kalau ngomong kebetika koi, mua nyaka tiga hangto te krubot, si coronavirus ke moment mana nyaka tebika, ngabe kokon je semike terhai febiti, conocimiento, sabiduría mua yebiti, lleno de ananera undi kira moment ana berenya inta moment kue, aku si murbai berenya an muna bete ko suke, muna otro ke nyaka dia bani kira mau bete. Okay. The reason that you have to protect yourself, mind yourself, don't mix with plenty people. And if you have that sickness in you, please believe in God, pray to God, and God will send over you the sickness. But if you have that sickness and you don't look for God, and you're going to look for anybody else, God is going to protect you.
Okay, thank you, very good. You